In 1927, the Hutchinson Manufacturing Company of Nashville patented the first 12-in-1, a multifunction tool revered by woodworkers of the time. Cut to 90 years later, add high-grade stainless steel plus precision state-of-the-art manufacturing, and you have the Woodpeckers 12-in-1. It's a 12-inch rule. T-square, tri-square, compass, divider, bevel gauge, depth gauge, marking gauge, angle transfer tool, protractor, diameter gauge, and an inside measure rule. 12 essential functions, all in a precision-crafted tool that fits right inside your apron pencil pocket. The 12-in-1 from Woodpeckers, precision made in the USA.